हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे टाइप ऑफ डीएनए की। टाइप्स ऑफ डीएनए on the basis of their helical structure, means right-handed or left-handed. If DNA sequence or DNA rotate toward the right to left, there are two type of DNAs. Our DNA is right-handed DNA, and some DNA are of left-handed DNA. So on the basis of their structure, they are of two types. First of all, ADNA. Rotation. Right handed rotation. Second is the distance between two helix, or a distance between two helix means diameter is 23 angstrom here. Next of all, third point, one turn means helix length, that is of 28 angstrom. Fourth is distance between two base pairs, .56 angstrom. Number of base pair in one turn, 11 base pairs here. The next one is B type DNA. This type of DNA found in humans. Rotation right-handed, rotated. Distance between two helix or a diameter is 20 angstrom. One turn or a helix length is 34 angstrom. Distance between two base pairs 3.4 angstrom, and number of base pair in one turn are of 10. So what we have to do? That's a B type of DNA. Rotation right-handed. Distance between two helix. Two helix means, if we are going to draw again, it's a one helix. If its rotation is 3 prime, then other is 5 prime. 5 prime, 3 prime. So these two helix, the distance between these two helix means the diameter of this is 20 angstrom. One turn 34 angstrom. One turn means there is a minor groove, as we did in a previous video. There is a major groove. So one minor to minor, one major to major, that is a one turn completed here. Or in one turn they are of 10 base pairs in case of human. So in the distance between two base pairs are 3.4 angstrom, and a one turn is 34 angstrom here, and the diameter is 20 angstrom. In one turn, there are total number of base pairs are 10 base pairs. If the C-type DNA, next is cDNA. In cDNA, the rotation is right-handed. Distance between two helix or the diameter is 19 angstrom. One turn or a helix length is 31 angstrom. Distance between two base pairs are 3.32 angstrom, and the number of base pair in a one turn 9.33 base pairs here. So what we have to do? Just recall it. cDNA, rotation, right-handed again. Distance between two base pair, or we can say the diameter is 19 angstrom. One turn helix 31 angstrom. Distance between two base pairs 3.32 angstrom, and the number of base pairs in a one turn 9.33. Next is ddNA. Rotation again right-handed. Distance between two helix or the diameter is 19 angstrom. Helix length here 24.24 angstrom. Distance between two base pairs are 3.03 angstrom, and total number of base pair in one turn are 8 base pairs. So again, the rotation again right-handed rotation or right-handed DNA, diameter 19 angstrom, helix length 24.24 angstrom, base pairs 3.03, and one turn 8 base pairs. The next is zDNA. zDNA, the rotation is left-handed. In left-handed rotation, it was firstly given by Rich, and he proposed that the DNA sequence or the helix are zigzag in motion. Zigzag motion helix. The diameter is 18.4 angstrom. Helix length 45.6 angstrom. The distance between two base pairs here are 3.75 angstrom, and the number of base pair in a one turn are 12 in 6 bases. 6 bases means in a half turn 6 base pairs, and another half turn again 6 base pair, means total are 12 base pairs. So Z-type DNA firstly proposed by Rich, and he also proposed that Z-type DNA having zigzag motion, rotation left-handed, distance between two or the diameter is 18.4 angstrom, helix length 45.6 angstrom. The distance between two base pairs are 3.75 angstrom, and the total number of base pair 12 in a 6 half. On the basis of DNAs, the sequence, we firstly noted one thing is here, that is palindromic DNA. Palindromic DNA or the sequence are that in which 5 prime to 3 prime rotation are equal, or 3 prime to 5 prime are equal. For example, Malayalam. Whenever we try to read it from forward or backward, Malayam, and again Mala, MALAYALAM or MALAYALAM, Malayalam. Madam. There are the various sequences by which we easily understood about palindromic sequence. Palindromic sequence is GAACC. GAATTC. If we assume it's a 5 prime, it's a 3 prime, or it's a 5 prime, then C bonded with G, A T T C. It's a 3 prime or it's a 5 prime. When we read it as 3 prime to 5 prime or 3 prime to 5 prime, in a both stand they have equal sequence GAATTC, GAATTC. So this kind of sequence are known as palindromic sequence or palindromic DNA. It was firstly proposed by Wilson and Thomas. Firstly proposed by Wilson and Thomas.